Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Taking photos with iPhone is getting increasingly popular for its convenience and manageability. Allowing users to create backup files of their iOS devices to iTunes guarantees the security of the photos taken by the users. While iTunes may have contributed a lot to rescue your data, it's undeniable that iTunes does not enable you to extract photos only when needed. Besides, you cannot browse the recovery details while restoring the entire iTunes backup file. Are you looking for an alternative solution to help you selectively recover photos from iTunes backup? Today, we will share the ultimate solution for restoring photos from iTunes backup. iTunes itself and the Finder can help you to recover your photos from iTunes backup, but you are not allowed to view them before restoring. However, FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery offers the best features and a high success rate for recovering your iPhone data. This tool lets you scan your device or backup files with simple clicks. You can preview data before recovery, including photos, contacts, messages, notes, videos, WhatsApp, widget, etc. It has 3 recovery modes for options. You can choose one to scan your device or backup files, then choose certain items to get them back. So, recovering your photos from iTunes is easy to do with the help of this tool. To use this tool, visit www.fonelab.com/iOS data recovery, or simply go to the description and click the link provided. Download this tool, and we will show you how to recover photos from your iPhone backup. First, run FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery on the computer and connect your iPhone. Make sure your device is connected. Choose iPhone Data Recovery from other iPhone utilities on the tool's interface. There are 3 options: recovery from an iOS device, recover of iTunes backup files, and recover from iCloud. Among these options, select Recover iTunes backup files. After that, select a backup file to scan, then hit the Start button. Choose Camera Roll or the other 2 options under the Media tab, and you will see all available items. Click to preview them. Then check the items you want to recover. Once you are done choosing, click the Recover button. As easy as that, you can recover photos from iTunes backup. If you are looking for a tool to help you selectively recover your photos from iTunes backup, FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery is the best. You can preview your photos and restore data selectively without losing any of it. So what are you waiting for? Get FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery now. We hope this video helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab Studio, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.